In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to travel the world on a very low budget, no matter your financial situation. You don't know me, but I've been traveling the world for the past 8 years, visiting over 130 countries on less than $15 a day. I'm able to travel so cheaply because I know how to find the best deals, use local resources, and leverage little-known travel hacks that can save you thousands of dollars. In fact, top travel bloggers and budget travelers like Wandering Earl and Johnny Ward use these exact methods. But you have to act quickly because the travel landscape is always changing, and these opportunities won't last forever. Airlines change routes, countries adjust visa policies, and the best deals get snapped up fast. I've developed a proven system that has not only worked for me, but for thousands of other travelers. My techniques have been featured on travel authority sites like Lonely Planet, Travel Plus Leisure, and even on popular travel podcasts. This system has nothing to do with credit card hacking, working remote jobs, or relying on travel points. It's all about practical, actionable steps that anyone can take, regardless of their background or experience. The secret is that seasoned travelers and travel influencers have been using these methods for years to stretch their travel budgets without sacrificing experiences. I used to scroll on social media and envy my peers who get to travel for extended periods of time, always wondering, how do they do it? That is until I met some backpackers who were traveling long-term and asked them for their secrets. What they shared shocked me. I always thought I needed lots of money to travel, but they changed my perspective on travel. I decided to take a leap of faith. I left my city, implemented what they taught me, and that's why I've been able to travel the world for the past 8 years, and why you can do it too. Since then, I've learned much more while on the road and have compiled all my strategies here. This is a limited time opportunity, because as more people learn these secrets, the deals and opportunities become scarcer. Like I said, this is the best and fastest way to start traveling the world without breaking the bank. The only reason I'm sharing this is that I wish someone had given me this guide when I started. I want to help more people experience the joy of travel. Here's what will happen once you know these hacks. You'll be able to travel more often and experience new cultures. You can even travel long-term, seeing the world over extended periods without financial strain. You'll be able to go on adventures and explore new destinations. You can tick items off your bucket list without worrying about the costs. You'll get to meet new friends from different parts of the world. You'll fill your Instagram post with amazing photos and have cool stories that make others jealous. In fact, Kara and Josh used these tricks to save $600 on a flight to Peru. Dylan, a self-professed broke college student, used a hack here to score some free accommodations in Berlin. And Jessica spent less than $20 a day on her spiritual healing journey in Bali. Does all these sound awesome to you? Great, because I've created an ebook called How to Travel the World for Almost Free that will help you do the same thing. It's packed with actionable tips, strategies, and real-life examples. Click the link below to learn more about it and the 6 free bonuses that come along with it. Get your copy now and start traveling the world on a shoestring budget.